Hi! In front of me is CUBOT R19, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from chosen apps on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Over here you need to select See All and pick one of your apps, for example, Calendar. Then click on Notifications and tap on the switcher next to Show Notifications feature. As you can see, all notifications from Calendar are now blocked. You can always unlock them by tapping on the same switcher, but you can also go back, select Notifications over here, scroll all the way down, tap on See All from last 7 days, and block them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!